The Enchanted Garden, Lily and Alex's journey of friendship and magic. Once upon a time, in a bustling town called Harmonyville, there lived two best friends, Lily and Alex. Lily had golden curls that danced in the sunlight, while Alex had a mischievous smile and twinkling eyes. One sunny day, Lily and Alex stumbled upon a forgotten garden hidden behind an old, creaky gate. To their surprise, the garden was filled with magical plants that glowed in vibrant colors. At the center stood a wise old tree with branches reaching towards the sky. The tree spoke softly, "Welcome, dear friends. I am the guardian tree, and this is the Garden of Wonders. Each plant here holds a special power, waiting to be discovered." Excitedly, Lily and Alex explored the garden, finding flowers that granted courage, leaves that brought laughter, and even a sparkling waterfall that granted wishes. Realizing the garden's potential, they decided to share its magic with the townspeople. They organized a joyful festival in the garden, inviting everyone to experience its wonders. The once gloomy town bloomed with happiness and unity as people discovered their own unique gifts. From that day on, Harmonyville became a place of joy and harmony. Lily and Alex became known as the bringers of happiness, and the garden remained a symbol of hope and friendship. And so, dear children, remember the power of friendship and the beauty that lies within each of us. Just like Lily and Alex, you too can bring light and happiness to those around you. Embrace your own special gifts and spread kindness wherever you go. For in the garden of life, love and friendship will always blossom.